Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get HSN summary report here in Zoho Books. All right, first up, go ahead and log into your Zoho Books account and now go to the left panel and click on reports. Click on it, and once done, go ahead and find taxes. Okay, you're gonna want to click on it, and under taxes right here, you will be able to find a summary of outward supplies. Okay, if taxes are enabled in your settings. So what you'll do is just click on it. Okay, again, summary of outward supplies. Then once you have the report, you can now go ahead and click on the customize the report button and just click on run report. Okay, now once that's done, if you want to, you can go ahead and review the report. And then this section right here will display consolidated data of sales under each HSN or SAC code, including the taxable value and tax amounts. And if you want to as well, okay, you can go ahead and export it to a PDF, XLSX, XLSCSV, however you want, or you could print it as well. Okay, just click on one option, give it a file name. Okay, let's say summary of outward supplies. Okay, export, save it wherever you want. You now have a copy. Now, this HSN summary right here is auto-generated in Zoho Books and can be used to fill the table 12 during your GSTR1 filing. Okay, before finalizing, ensure all your items have the correct HSN codes configured in Zoho Books accuracy. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.